How to block someone on Discord. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to block someone on Discord. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's over to our Discord, and in here you can see the messages that you can have. So you can search for the person that you want to block. So for example, I want to block this person right here, then I can search for their name in there. So once I have searched them, then what I can do is to just click on their name and it will open a conversation with them. So as you can see, if you click on this right here, actually in these three dots, there's actually no option in order to block them. But you can click on close DM. So in order to locate that block, what you can do is long press this person's name. And then in there you can see this profile. So click on profile right there and click on three dots right here, and you will see the option to block them. So just click on that block and you can now block that person. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to block someone on Discord. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.